Hi, welcome to the Build and Grow 21 channel. Welcome all YouTubers and anybody on the Odyssey. Here we are, Build and Grow 21. It's late. I didn't plan to come out and make a film about the best tool that I use to cut for salads. Could do it any time of day, but really what's turned out to be the most helpful yard tool. If you hear some barking in the background, I apologize. Hey, my dog's getting old and he sits around and barks all day. So, let's see here. This is a salad that I've picked so far this evening, okay? Might not look like so much right there, but, that's almost a good couple of handfuls of leaves if I can present them. I don't want to drop them everywhere, okay? Fills up this nice Chinese takeout container right there. And, I want more. And the way that I get more is with the most helpful garden tool around. This is Smith & Wesson. Let's see here. There we go. Special Ops. Really great, sharp, hard blade right there. Been using this for a few weeks now. Haven't had to sharpen it at all. And it's so fine. I can come in and just make a clean cut on a lettuce leaf like that. The tip, you can tell this has been 3 weeks. I've been cutting rope. I've been cutting weeds. I've been cutting and harvesting lettuce with this. A lot easier to use than a typical fillet knife I use. And especially at nighttime. So what also is helpful, I put some reflective tape on it so it's black and easy to find in the nighttime. Easy to close, little flick of the switch, easy to open, safe to use. Come in, pick a leaf, come in, pick another leaf. And before you know it, you'll have a full bowl of salad too. So again, what I think is the most useful garden tool, the Smith & Wesson Special Ops short blade here. It's not a very dangerous blade at all. This is not made for children, of course, so you can see it's not very big, just comes up to my knuckle. Let's see, like that. So what might that be? Not quite 2 inches, maybe 2 inches, I forget, 2.5 inches. But total length here is, I'm going to, I forget, I have to check the thing, but it's a perfect size, maybe 3 inch. I don't think it's 3.5. It's a really great knife, and what's really turned out to be so helpful about this is the weight, the ability to easily store, carry an EDC that was made for more than just typical EDC stuff. My new favorite garden harvesting tool. Again, that's the Smith & Wesson Special Ops short blade knife. Description provided. Thanks for watching.